Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the closer looks of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the all-new Galaxy S24 Ultra camera designed for the ultimate photography. Experiences say goodbye to blurry photo and capture stunning memory with the SA. Stay connected with your favorite social media platform. The Galaxy S24 Ultra camera seamlessly integrates Instagram and Snapchat, making it easy to share your memory. Experience enhanced HDR photo thanks to our collaboration with Meta. Say hello to vibrant and detailed image that truly capture the essence of the moment. Capture clear photo in any lighting condition. The Galaxy S24 Ultra camera peak brightness specification ensure that your photo are always crisp and clear even in the brightness environment. The device comes with the One UI 6.1 which feature highly intuitive keyboard for seamless typing and editing. The object eraser feature has been enhanced, making it easier to remove unwanted elements from your photo with greater accuracy. The S24 Ultra allows your personalized your alarm experience by choosing custom background, adding a touch of creativity to your daily routine. Keep an eye out of the update of our upcoming feature, including a keyboard feature on One UI 6.1, object eraser enhancement, and customized alarm backgrounds. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel.